Okay, ladies and gentlemen, spring is coming, or it is here. It depends when you're watching this video. So it's time to clean the windows. And today we are going to be tilting in Marvin Essential Fiberglass window. I'm going to show you real quick in a few steps how to tilt it in for easy cleaning. So let's jump into it. Okay, so in this case we have a double hung window. So first step in cleaning the window, unlock the window, pretty much easy step. So double hung, it means that you can operate both sashes, the bottom one and the top one you can move. Step number 2, ladies and gentlemen, pretty much very important. So we're gonna tilt in first the bottom sash and then the top sash, and that's actually the only way to do it. But anyway, make sure that you're gonna raise the bottom sash. You can place your fist here, or if you want to be precise, you can just do like about 3 inches. You take the tape measure and do the 3 inches. Okay, so we got to step number 3. And step number 3, we have here 2 side locks right here on the top of the bottom sash. And this side lock's actually a little bit flimsy, so please stay with me to the end of the video because it's important to see how we tilt them back, otherwise you can damage your window. So anyway, let's do it. So we squeeze at the same time the 2 side locks right here, and you can tell they are pretty much as a budget minded windows, they have much more robust side locks, but I think we can live with that. But anyway, so we squeezed it, and now we tilt in the bottom sash for easy cleaning. Okay, so step number 4. If you are still here, I can tell you, if you stick with me till the end of the video, I'm gonna show you how actually remove both sashes from your window. Let's say you have a big piece of furniture or anything like that to put into the house. Maybe you have big windows, so you can just do it through your windows instead of the doors. Or if you have the full screen, you can just remove both sashes and enjoy a nice breeze of the fresh air. Anyway, let's go back to the video, and yep, so now we are tilting in the top sash. Same thing, place your fist, or if you want to precise and be scientific, just use a regular tape measure, which again is 3 to 4 inches. It has to be above this bottom sash. And right here we have same thing, we have 2 side locks. You squeeze them at the same time inside, and here we go, we tilted in the window. Okay, so as I say, as a bonus, you're still here, so let me show you how to remove the sashes, and maybe you want to clean them from the comfort of your house. So basically you have to put horizontal first the top sash if you want to remove it, and here we go, it comes out pretty much easily. So you remove the first sash, just place it somewhere so it doesn't fall. Same thing here, the bottom sash. Let's see what happened. Why is it so? Same thing with the bottom sash. So basically you place it horizontal like this, and you do first left side or right side, and it comes out. Okay, so now if you have a full screen instead of the half screen, like in this sample, if you have a full screen, you can ventilate your house, completely big time, or you can put any furniture, anything through the window, and enjoy your windows. Marvin Essential Fiberglass, this beautiful premium fiberglass windows in your house. Okay, so now we removed them, and you probably are thinking about it like, okay, man, so now we did remove it, how to put it back? Because you're not gonna leave the window like that, right? So let's go ahead and do it. It's pretty much easy, piece of cake to do it, to put it back, just same thing like it was to remove it. But anyways, there are like here 2 balance shoes on the left and on the right side, and we install the bottom sash, and you do one side, like the left one, then the right one. Let's see, to make sure that it goes all the way into the balance shoe. Again, do like this, wiggle a little bit. Yep, it's all good. Then you do the top sash, same thing. You do first the left side. Let's say if you're left-handed or right-handed, it's up to you. You can do the right one, but make sure it's one at a time. You put into the balance shoe. And again, do like this, wiggle a little bit, and in this case you can feel that it's nice in place. But anyway, so now once we did the cleaning of the windows, we have to tilt them back, right? Okay, so let's start from the top sash, and again, that's the only way to do it, to tilt it back. Again, we have this lock, so when you tilt that top sash back, make sure that you squeeze again at the same time these two side locks inside, and here we go. So now we locked the top sash, and with the bottom one, same thing. Make sure, because this lock's a little bit fragile, like I mentioned before, so it's important that you cannot just slam like this with with other vinyl windows. You can just lock like this and they are locking. But in here, make sure that you squeeze these two side locks again, and here we go. The window is cleaned, your house is looking nice again. And make sure, one more thing, very important, that you lock your windows after the cleaning, especially on the first floor or second floor, any type of the floor, so this way your house is nice, not only clean, but nice and safe. Well, it was a pleasure. Thank you for watching.